So yes guys, this is 3D Spearfishing and Adventure. We are in a trail right now. Today adventure is about hiking. We are going to this wonderful waterfall. We are in Morai right now. And we have to light a fire today. And we must smell that smoke. Until you know that bush smoke, we must have on we clothes. Today, yes people, so enjoy this wonderful adventure. We with Monster Charter and family. And I'll truly 3D Spearfishing and Adventure. Let's stay tuned, I'll enjoy, like, share, comment and subscribe. There we go. I roll. Reach. Nice Sunday evening. The whole clip here. Yes people. Beginning the trail and it's looking amazing. Yeah. Yeah, wifey there. Monster and family in front. Yeah. The vehicle right there and what? Done stuff fabric already. You see how big going now? He's food enough. Uphill, uphill. Pon it 4x4, pon it 4x4. Switching over baby there. Action again. Downhill. Are we reach? Are we there yet? Wow. I can see myself busting a little curry, duck and dumpling here, right? We are the curry duck. Spice the boss right. Oh, the water cool. Somebody lead us slippers. A big slipper. You need screech with all the rubber thing.
Rainy season and stuff. Already?
Yeah, people are officially sweating now. Monster said 2 minutes walk. I walking for like 20 minutes now. But anyway, it's a good after all our rest I get it with my injury. I must come out and sweat. So yeah, I enjoy it. Mama! You're singing it? Wow, what is nice greenery, people. Calm, cool. Yes, people, so I think we are about to enter. So I'm going to show you as we enter the amazing, magical Nitya. We stop our pause. Wow, somebody building a house there, boy?
We're going that side.
Any side? Well, let's take a little time, right? Look at rubbish. We have a shed when we're inside the fall. Wow. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. I don't know what's that, but wow. Oh. I can't wait to go in there. This right. Hi people, I know we now reach something, but so yeah people, the lady down jumping already. So we're gonna start up a fire quick, because we're hungry. Stay tuned.
Because we don't have much fuel.
Right.
When somebody cooking outside the house, don't put in no more.
Let's catch it.
Perfect.
Right? Are you okay, right? Try people. Once I cut up the pineapple here. And here we have some shrimps and some breast meat. We're gonna make some shibabs. Right? Marinate nice. And yeah, we're gonna handle up the scene in our stay tuned. Look at that. Baby done in the water already. That's very good.
Yeah, so?
Right around. Well, let's go see the enemy results.
Yeah, you can look at something here.
perfect. That is it.
Yeah, boy.
That is it. Now looking sweet, boy.
One with a fine out.
Yep. Put them a taste test it.
Hold on, eh? Yeah, right.
I taste them all there. Oh, chat.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, well. Pineapple make you feel energized as I eat the first one, man. For real. There's the idea there. Smoking a bit. There you turn that smoke into fire. There you go. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole, they call it, Byron. Sorry, I tell you. Nice fresh sweet pepper. Oh shit. Like oil?
You know,
Yeah.
we're doing like meat, veggies,
Fish, shrimp,
shrimp and everything. You know.
Right. Let me cut up this sweet pepper. Let me cut up quick. Di fire now.
The onion as well, eh? So after that, let's start.
So good on here. Very nice big onion here. What do you got all this? So?
Yeah, no.
That's cubic.
Yeah, fight the go on the thing.
Quarters it.
You have a partner named Quarters?
Yeah. That old man.
Right.
You can real fishing, boy.
Yeah, boy.
You pick up.
Yeah, there's two
You could do one.
Tell me, watch it. Start it off with that fine. Alright, so then we come in here, so we're taking a piece of chicken breast. Put that right there. Sweet pepper. What Jana? Onion. I don't like onion, but you go with the onion.
No, you don't want to onion and all.
Yes.
The original shrimp. And continuing the process.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
Nice like, proper. Get up, go down. Ready? That's it there. I kind of, I didn't put the grill. Evil, so all good on one side. So,
Stick something on
they
top.
follow one night, so we can this one. Watch it. That's it here. Yeah, son, right there. Son, nice job. Nice. Yeah, mix one with her. Watch it, I'll get you now. Good. fire. You light that fire, right? Fire light real good.
Hello. Pretty little baby. He's happy. Yeah, she got scream.
Thing going on here. Yeah, that's circling up now. Hey, take off it,
That's good. That's quite a bit of the heat just started to cook it.
This is monster, so you see one. Well, watch it.
I find that one looking nice.
No veggie, eh? You're supposed to eat your veggie, eh? Let's piling them up. Let's piling them up here. Turn it on here.
Portugal going on each other.
Portugal and
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
And the vibe's nice. We have this whole place to ourselves for you. Can't ask for nothing better than that. On a good Sunday evening. Yeah.
Yeah, the sardine and them. Yeah, you can see them just now. Make sure there's a fella here born in the food here. And the tortilla now.
Ready? Watch it tell you. Slapping it so. That is it. You can't swallow a roti. Eating like a king today. चलो यार पीपा इधर दस तो तार come in here. You got some right here, so. Hold it? Nah, it goes scatter. Hey. You see this? Green one.
And put your sauce.
Alright? Some barbecue sauce here. That. That's it. Yeah, that. Chop it on here. Gotta roll it.
You had to roll one here by the river.
Yeah. That's what people. What just now, man?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Proper. Woo! You see the professional, I see the professional. What you see there? I don't know eating already, I see some picture one.
So long it takes to make yours.
Proper, boy.
Hey, come on.
Maria.
You coming out?
Good. What is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Tell me what you think, you know.
Look here.
Look on my eyes.
You get this smoke flavor? What are you talking about? Oh no, meat. What is meat there?
But I got still put mine out a little chow.
Yeah, boy. That is it, boy. That's what's this real good. Yes, boy. Actually.
And the onion what he don't want. You want this one, Lenny?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pull it on two sides, right?
Thank you.
Well, Liza, there you got you. Now you see, tell me what it said. You get the smoke flavor. That was
And the pineapple.
And the pineapple.
She like pineapple.
Yeah.
That is real good.
Thanks, eh?
I make enough mine the same way.
Yeah. Monster man here, actually. That is it.
I'm going for no barbecue sauce.
Talk to my nice.
Yeah, that's it.
Talk to my nice. Talk to my nice. Be going in for the kill there. So it now I was doing it wrong.
I was trying to
Now,
tell
but I
you.
want to mess up my hand and thing. That's the plan.
Okay.
That was the plan.
Now pepper.
Oh, that's so thin, yeah? No, no pepper. What's here? What's here? You get a man like me?
Pineapple first.
And? And all the you get to
Smoky
the.
flavor alone.
I'm going in for just this salad. So that cook now. Proper. Eh? So we go and destroy the salad. You know, down with fire already. Try again. Try again.
Now you gotta get handstand to do that way.
Try again that one. It's a big fish here, boy. Try. Yeah, back in the days, you're not up already. Proper thing. Yeah, well, that's fresh shot. I think for it here. How the water? How the water?
Water nice way.
Yeah, looking nice, it's feeling nice, it's cool. Sit over there. Nice vibes out there.
I think you made more progress on him. Be a sloth. Hey, like a caterpillar.
Do I pull up here? Let me see you.
I'll be sitting here from up top. The vibes out there. Monster down there. Monster is hamster on the water. You can see what's going on in this one. Yeah, there you go now. So far here, this waterfall there. There you go. Wow, some more. Whoa, beautiful. You guys take off fast, keep there. So yeah, people, just want to big up some subscribers. Want to big up Nathan. Nathan, big up yourself, my brother, boy. Yeah, one of my subscriber, Nathan. And I want to big up Govin and family. Big up yourself, brother. Makado give me some problems. Go on my Govin help me out. Yeah, pick up yourself and so see vibe. So Nathan and Govin, I'll big up all yourself. And to all my subscribers, wow, beautiful they call this. Isn't it? What is scenery and thing? Wow, the water fantastic. So yeah. Some more trail going up, but we ain't gonna venture that today. We'll come back next time, maybe, hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, I hear blue junk. Yeah, boy. It's nice. Yeah. You gotta leave now. People busting all this. So keep outside. 20 minutes walk back.
Nah, about 10.
About 10?
Yeah.
I tell you. That water is best. And here another rubber ding ding going crooks. What job are you there? I got zoom it in. I tell you, so we on the trail going back out and we see a big wabbin. So Mr. Man here, you don't know, the monster hunter going in there. He in a hole he gone in. So let's see what's going on. Get them right here.
Boy, you gotta come and push him.
Me! Yeah, my as if that whole gone far away. Yeah, that whole blade gone in there.
Yeah, and he leafy and he there. But here about that.
Yeah.
In my younger days, I used to push man and hold them.
Oh, that push man, eh?
I ain't
But
doing that.
let this hand get a little better. Let's see, you cut. What you cut there?
And
You
it's
still
not,
get?
it's not even a wabi, no give you that.
Hey, feel that be dinner?
Wabi meat for dinner.
How you mean? Feeling
But
that
you
and
right
chop
there,
down
you
the
right
grill. Nice greenery, nice settings. Perfect. Downhill. So pretty the flowers there. Nice tree for a goner. Nice tree for a goner. I'm feeling the goner vibes on the tree. This is Guglu or Piwa?
I look like Piwa.
Piwa, eh? Yeah. What these spikes on, Anna? What these spikes on that tell you? If that touch you, hey! So yes people, it's about that time. Every good thing must come to an end. So we almost reached the vehicle. It has some vehicle outside, they play music. So I want to end this video here. And thank you guys for the support. And keep sharing and keep doing other things. And keep supporting the channel. Yeah. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to look out for the next adventure.